Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add comments to our contacts, coils, and networks. To enable comments, go to the top of the screen and click on the Tools tab. Then select Options and select FBD, LD, and IL Editor. Here you can find all the options for the comments. So you got, for example, network title, network comment, operand comments, symbol address, and network separators. For demonstration, I'll enable all of them and explain them later. Press OK. When we enable these options, as you can see, it shows the variable's address right here, and also its description that we have configured in a previous episode, as you can see here, and integrated I/O mapping. The networks also have titles and comments. So if I click here, I can give it a title. Let's say, for example, network 1, and also a comment. So let's say this is my first network. And you can also add comments to individual contacts and coils. So if I click in this empty space here, I can say this is sensor 0. And in the variables area right here, I can also add comments by typing a // and then typing anything I want. So this is the button variable. These are all the comments and descriptions you can add to MasterTool. That is for today's video, and I see you on the next one.